Rob Rachmaninoff.
YouTube, welcome back. Welcome back to the channel. Happy New Year to everyone. I am filming this on New Year's Day, so this is the first video of the new year. And I want to say just welcome back. You know, got big goals this year, so I'm going to keep these reviews and these videos pumping. So, you know, if you're new here, you know, welcome. OGs, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to do a review of an SB. You can see, you got that different color SB box, so you know that means this is a quick strike. So without further ado, you know, I just want to get right into the review. I've seen others do a review on the shoe, but I've only seen like maybe a couple, and Jay the Sneaker Guy is one of them that actually carved the top, because the top layer of the shoe is a cutaway. So I only see Jay really cut it away, but I'm going to do a full in-depth cutaway, and I'm going to customize the shoe and cut off the top layer. And I went and bought an X-Acto knife, so I make sure I get the lines crispy and precise. So this is a project, you know what I mean? So we're gonna go ahead and paging Dr. Don Juan today, you know, get these joints prepped for surgery, you know what I mean? So, you know, let's go ahead and get into review. So of course there's a sizing tag, and I went with a size 10 in my SB Dunks. You know, I go down to half size. So it reads Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Wizard of Oz, so it's WOO, so Wizard of Oz Quick Strike. Colors are Gym Red, University Red, Multi, Road Gym. So when you open the box, you know, the paper that you get on here is pretty cool. So it's Dorothy shoes is the first thing you see on the top of the paper, and if you fold the whole paper open, it you know, I'll show you at some point during the video what that looks like. Actually, I'll do it now, but the shoes actually come in this bag wrapped nicely. It's Wizard of Oz black and red bag. You do get a pair of extra insoles. You got the Wicked Witch and one of her goons, her monkey goons on there. And on the back where the Zoom AirPod is, you can see it give you like it's like a snowflake. So that's pretty cool. It's full of holidays, because these came out during the holidays, so I would imagine that's why they did that. And you also should get an SB. Let's see if you get a sticker in here. Yeah, you do. So get your SB whited out sticker as well. And then if you open the full paper, let's see here. Yeah, you can see it's that scene where when the witch tried to take the shoes off of Dorothy initially, her ruby slippers, she got shot. Straight up shot. And you got Wizard of Oz and SB right here on that side as well. Cool, so that's it pretty much for the box and the wrapping, but you do get a green sticker right here inside your box. And oh yeah, right here you should have your box sizings and measurements. So that's it for the box. Let's go ahead and open this up. Yeah, because this is the first time I'm seeing these in hand. I know I took them out of the actual original box that they came mailed in, but this is actually the first time I'm actually seeing these shoes in hand. So let's see here, you should be able to just peel this off right here. Okay, there we go. Alright, cool. Ripping out the plastic, got the actually brand new. Alright, there we go. There we go. Anything inside here? Nope. Cool. So here they are. Nike SB Dunk Wizard of Oz. Yeah, and let me just take a look here real quick. Okay, yeah, you got your Wizard of Oz there. Back, okay. And so, smells, got a pungent smell. Very strong smell. Okay, and I can see how the uppers, okay, yeah, we're gonna get right into this. So, you know, without further ado, I want to jump right into the review, because again, after the review, it's gonna be a quick review, and then I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna get these things prepped for surgery. So yeah, so as you can see on the back of the heel, you can see it has the Wizard of Oz right there. You can see it coming through faintly through the material. So it says, not Wizard of Oz, but it says no place like home. And you can see that on the back of the heel coming through the material. On the top of the tongue, you see it has the Wizard of Oz on that satin SB tongue. Back of the tongue, it should say Nike SB. On the back of the tongue, got your all gem red outsole. It's almost like a translucent outsole, but not really. You got this floral, all over floral design on the whole upper of the shoe. And this is when she fell asleep inside the poppy field during the movie. That's what this is supposed to be, and I'll put a picture up so you can see actually what it represents if you've never seen the movie. You know, growing up, man, this was one of my favorite movies growing up. And you know, they only played it around the holidays. So this shoe to me, you know, means a little bit because it wasn't one of my favorite movies growing up. And you only would catch it during the holidays. It came on regular TV and you had to catch it when it came on. Other than that, you know, we didn't have like DVRs or anything like that. We talk about in the early 80s. So yeah, red, fat SB laces. And I don't think these come with extra laces. No, they don't. So they don't come with extra laces. And let me see here, inside, pull this out. Comes the shoe paper and the swoosh on each side, and the upper of the back of the heel is that nubuck. And that's the same material that's going to be underneath this top layer poppy field material, which we'll get into. All redded out. Nike on the back of the heel as well. So yeah, these are fire, man. I like these a lot. Let me see here, the insole. So let me see here if I can take these insoles out. Okay, it's kind of hard trying to get the insole out, so I'm just going to show you right here. If you can see, this insole has like the monkey right there, and I believe they're looking at the monkey and the witch, and I believe they're looking at the crystal ball right there when they were inside her layer. And on this side, and on the right shoe, it's pretty much the same thing as well. They're inside the layer looking into the crystal ball. Cool, so that's pretty dope that they gave you two different insoles. I like that, that's pretty cool. So, now that will conclude the review. Now it's the moment that I've been waiting for. Paging Dr. Don, getting prepped for surgery. So without further ado, let's go ahead and chop these up. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and dive right into this. So this is my first time doing anything like this. So we're gonna go ahead and cut through and see what the under layer looks like. And I think, how am I gonna style it? I think I'm gonna do the toe box, and I'm gonna do probably around the heel from here all the way through and around. So I'm gonna leave this portion on. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get to slicing. What I was told is you want to stay within, see where the stitching is? So you want to stay within the line. So never cut the stitching, always stay within the stitching. So, you know, for instance, like we have here, the stitching. So you want to stay within those lines. So here we go.
Rachmaninoff.
As you can see, this is what it looks like underneath. Once you peel away the top layer, you have that nubuck, that's on the swoosh as well. So, you know what? It kind of cuts away easy. They make it kind of easy for you. You just gotta be careful so that you don't cut too much into the material. So that's why I wanted to use an X-Acto knife, because it's super sharp and super precise. So let's go ahead and finish the rest.
Rob. Rachmaninoff.
So here's how I'm gonna rock my pair. So you can really see that no place like home on the back of the heel now. It's really popping. It's pretty dope. I think this is how I'm gonna rock my pair. I don't think I'm gonna touch the toe cap or the side panel. I think I wanna keep it with the toe box like that. And then I think I wanna keep the back of the heel open like that. I think I kind of want to keep the side panels. All right, cool. So let me do the other shoe and then I'll hop back in front of the camera and let's see what the results look like. All right, so that was the review, the Nike SB Dunk Low Quick Strike Wizard of Oz. So here's my end results. Y'all go ahead and tell me what you think. How did I do? Did I get the color blocking right with where I cut it versus where I left the poppy field material on? What'd you think? Go ahead and rate me in the comments. 1 to 10, how you think I did on my customization skills? Would you have cut them any different? Would you have did the whole upper? Or would you have did it like I did it, kind of did it in sections and blocks? I think I kind of like how I did it, man. It's kind of dope, man. I kind of like, you know, did the eyelets right here. If you see alongside here, kind of did those, but I left the two at the bottom right here near the toe box. Hit the toe box, hit the back heel with the no place like home. Then I hit the upper coming from around the heel of the shoe, which I think is fire. And you know, one thing I did notice that I don't know if I showed you in the review. So the left shoe on the tongue has Wizard of Oz. On the back, it has Nike SB. And on the right shoe, the tongue has Nike SB. And then on the back, it has the Wizard of Oz. So that's fire. I did notice that slight little difference. And then, you know, got the same insoles now. I did show you the other insoles, but these insoles I did show you as well, but I do like that they gave you two different insoles that you kind of swap out if need be. The only thing, if I had to make one gripe about the shoe, or about the whole packaging, let me just say Nike did an excellent, phenomenal job with the whole packaging of the shoe. All the extras they gave us, man, this is what we love. This is why we love shoes like this, when they do extra, go the full mile for us. But I just wish that they, for some reason, they didn't give us any spare laces. Maybe that's why they gave us the extra insoles. Maybe that took place of the spare laces. But what would have been dope, I was telling my brother and we was trying to look for something. We got a lace bag, but we don't have any extra SB laces. I told him that if they came with gold laces, like the same gold that matches on the back where it says no place like home. That same gold that's on the shoe. If they would have gave us gold laces and you swapped them out with the gold laces, man, that would have been fire. That would have been crazy if they did it like that. But we don't got none. I couldn't find any. So we're gonna just go with the standard red lace that they came with. So I hope you enjoyed the video. This is my first time doing something like this. You know, I enjoyed it. You know, it was kind of cool to go ahead and make sure I cut in between the stitching lines and make sure I didn't cut into the materials, kind of like a little art project. So, you know, hopefully I can cop some more SBs in 2025 and do more projects like this and bring more videos to you like this. So, like I said, I noticed other videos that they didn't really, you know, cut the shoe and really show you as they were cutting the shoe. So I wanted to kind of bring that to you in case you had these and kind of give you ideas if you want to go ahead and customize them yourself or not, you know, how it would look and, you know, how you go about it. So I would recommend using the X-Acto knife because it's super sharp and the pointy end is super good for getting into like the corners of the shoe. They're very hard to reach places. So that's how we're gonna kick off 2025, man. And you know, I'm trying to have a big year as far as this YouTube, trying to keep growing, keep on bringing you good material, good videos, good visuals, and we're gonna keep it rolling. So next video, I'm definitely gonna give you my top 10. It's gonna be my top 10 cops of 2024, my personal opinion, my personal top cops, not like, you know, shoe of the year, things of that nature. And after that, I gotta bring to you the Travis Scott Jumpman Jacks OG Sale colorway. So those are long overdue. I didn't unbox those yet. Those are my third dove from last year's Black Friday on the GoDaddy. So, you know, appreciate you if you stayed this long for the video. There will be an on foot, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna hit you with the on foot. I appreciate all the support. Thank you for, you know, showing the channel love. Like, comment, and subscribe, share the channel with friends and family. We're trying to grow this year. We're trying to get our watch hours up, trying to get our subscribers up, man. I'm trying to bring you more and more things. And, you know, once we go ahead and reach certain goals, I want to start doing giveaways and things of that nature. So stay tuned for the on foot. And until the next cop, I'm out.
Dying one.
Rob. Rachmaninoff.
I know. The way I'm dipping steps so fresh, they call me Manny. Plus the crossover so cold, it come in handy. Every day I shoot a movie, call me Stanley. Can't walk a mile off in my shoes if you can't stand me. So exclusive, this only for friends and family. We up on sneaks and they so geek, we high on fashion. What's up, what's happening? I'm extra fresh out the package, shipping and handling. Life of 4D, I'm an OG like Jordan 03, yeah. It's getting OC, the fashion on me, they tryna clone me, yeah. Shot the DE for the 3P, I'm like Kobe, yeah. The passion feed me, yeah. I know you see me, yeah. Dying one. I'm so white, this world, they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done. I'm done one. I'm so white, this world, they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done.